Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can build curved stairs in Heartopia. So I'm just going to kind of make this a little bit random, and I'm just going to try to make this as quick as I possibly can here. So maybe something like this is enough for now. And then we are going to add some floors. So make sure the color of the floor at the bottom is also green. Hold on, I don't know why it's so far away. That is not where I wanted to go. You know what? I'm just going to build the wall first here, and then I'm going to add the flooring on top of that so I can color the bottom part of the floor. Let's see. I don't think the screen is good enough. Let's do this one. Actually, I think that's a little too dark. Okay, let's try that one first. Actually, hold on. I'm just testing out colors at this point. And for the flooring, you can also use the wildflower bush, but I'm just going to use this for now. And then I'm just going to add this all around the stairs here like this. So it's curved. It is a little bit of trial and error. So you're gonna want to have to kind of adjust this a little bit yourself. Let's see. Okay, this is good for now, and I'm just going to add some bushes all around, and hopefully it turns into a curved staircase. And this is the finished result. I did add a lot of things to it just to make it curvy. It is a little bit tedious, but that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!